be making a calm jar. It can help when you're scared or anxious, you know, with all the scary stuff going around, with the coronavirus. It can just help calm you down. And get this, watch, ready? And flip. It's just staying there and slowly going down. So relaxing. If you're new here, I'm Haley and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making something known as a calm jar. It's something I use when I'm either anxious, nervous, or scared. I also like to read because it helps me just calm down. The ingredients you're going to be needing for this calm jar is glitter. Glitter glue. I'm using purple because it's one of my favorite colors. You'll need some crazy glue, a jar with a cap. Where's the cap? Lid! Ah, there it is. Also going to be needing 2 cups of hot boiled water. Okay, so let's pour the water in. So now we're going to open our glitter glue. I've never used glitter glue before for some apparent reason, even though it says classic. Here's a joke. What goes up but never goes down?
2 hours later.
Pretty. Now let's stir, stir, stir with this handy dandy popsicle stick. Oh, this looks so pretty. So while we're stirring, we're also gonna add in some of this orange confetti glitter. You can see it on the table right there. If you know me, I love glitter. Wow, it looks like the water's turning sparkly pink. This is the watery. Mix! Just keep mixing, just keep mixing. So guys, now it's time for the answer to the riddle. The riddle was, what goes up but never goes down? The answer is your age! Now it's time to crazy glue the top of the jar so that we can put on the cap. Okay, with our handy dandy glue. It's so tiny and adorable, and I think it's so cute, and I just like it. My hands are sticking! Okay, at least I know this crazy glue is tough. And there you have it, guys. Your calm jar. Be sure to have an adult help you because I needed help from my mother to glue this because I accidentally glued my fingers together. But now I put it on some hot warm water and then it came off. So I hope you found this video really helpful. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys!